turn around be him own audience and cheer for the lie when him tell, when him believe say a true, when him act like say a true. Yeah, man? Wow. Crazy. Me there. Remember, you know. Them say the worst things them about me, you know. The worst things them say about me. But they are firing now approximately 7 years and no leaves in. Them say me don't live now, you know. Remember good. I mean say man, you know. Them say me not in a car. Them say me a walk foot. Then them say me live in a car. So first me not in a car. Then me live in a car. First me live in a barber shop. Then me live in a car. Them don't know what they want about me, you know. Them say me have bracelet on my foot. Them say me not have a bracelet on my foot. Them say me a mad out. Them say me not mad out. Yeah. Yeah. Me just know say. You see when you defend righteousness and you speak in the right way, people not gonna like you. People not gonna say yes, you are their more favorite person. You understand what I say? So, all of who you hear have me up, you know. Or anybody will hear them and say, oh, we not like Foota, we not dealing. Ask them what him do. How him did say again. And yet, them would have wish if me would have never say nothing. You know? When them do fuckery, Foota enough say nothing. You understand? And like today, me laugh, you know. Because today, me see a comment from a page. So the boy I say, we don't know if a boy or a girl, but in the way how the comment right, I know a fake page. In the way how the comment right, the person I say, yeah man, I'm dying for them dip and send you a Jamaica. I could run a rat race to fly your bat. So he give me a little flashback, you know? And me I say, as a straight man, as a man who defend man and woman and defend so much moral values, right? How the energy to kill me is always so high. You never notice it? Every time me and somebody get in a disagreement, right? Like artists or public figure, anytime me and them get in a disagreement,